Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, in the previous class we have discussed the sense group paragraph 1 of the chapter Biju Patnaik and his Dakotas. Students, Biju Patnaik was a daredevil pilot, an unstoppable freedom fighter, 2 times Chief Minister of Odisha, former Union Minister, Kingmaker of the Janata Parivar, Security Advisor to the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhumiputra or son of the soil of Indonesia and founder of UNESCO Kalinga Award on Science. Biju Patnaik was a star for crores of Odias who was born in Odisha but made the entire nation proud. Students, Biju Patnaik was a born daredevil and risk taker, and he was a very daring person from his very early childhood days and always ready to take risks. He was always ready to take risks. He always jumps into any action without thinking about its consequences, and he was a symbol of courage, bravery and adventure, and this part of his nature has remained seen in his life as a pilot and a politician. Students, what the brave horse Chetak was to Rana Pratap, the Dakotas were same to the great pilot Biju Patnaik. So students, how Biju Patnaik got his first Dakota? It's also a story of courage and adventure. Biju Patnaik then has started the Bhubaneswar Flying Club, and the Second World War was over, and a lot of Dakotas were lying unused at the American Air Base at Panagarh near Kolkata. So Biju Patnaik wanted to purchase a Dakota for his Bhubaneswar Flying Club. So he was about to fly to Panagarh when his friends rushed near him and told that a very severe storm, a very severe storm is developing, and his friends advised him not to fly. But Biju Patnaik don't pay any attention towards this and told, without bothering, Biju Patnaik told, this is Biju's plane which flies during the storms. And he took off and he flew to Panagarh with great difficulty. He repaired a Dakota, and he returned back to Bhubaneswar. This is how Biju Patnaik got his first Dakota. Students, today in the sense group paragraph 2, first portion, we'll study Biju's contribution or Biju Babu's contribution towards Indonesia's freedom struggle, and when Pakistan declared war in Kashmir in 1947, how Biju Babu played a pioneer role in dropping the first regiment of Indian soldiers at Srinagar airport, and how he played a very crucial role in providing necessary things to the Indian army with his Dakota. So students, let's read the first part of the sense group paragraph 2 and let's know about Biju Babu's contribution to the Indonesia's freedom struggle and his contribution when the war started in Kashmir. Many of Biju's adventures in air were in fact with his Dakotas only. He, with his Dakota that he got from Panagarh, flew to Indonesia and brought back the Indonesian leaders when the Dutch planes were flying around to shoot his aircraft down. During the war in Kashmir with Pakistan, he also supplied necessary things to Indian soldiers with his Dakota. For his contributions to the Indonesia's independence, the government of Indonesia has honored him with the title of a Bhumiputra, or the son of the soil. And one of the Dakotas is kept in Indonesia in the memory of Biju even today. Students, let's start with the Kashmir mission or Mission Kashmir. So in 1947, students, when the Pakistan army marched into Kashmir, then during that time Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister of India. So with the instruction of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Biju Patnaik was the first person to maneuver his plane at the Srinagar airport. He dropped the first regiment of the soldiers of the Indian army at the Srinagar airport. And this is how he was instrumental in safeguarding the interest of India. Not only this, he also supplied the necessary things to the Indian soldiers with his Dakota. So students, in 1947, when the war in Kashmir started, or when Pakistan army entered into Kashmir and declared a war then Biju Patnaik maneuvered his plane to be the first to land the Indian soldiers, or to land the first regiment of Indian soldiers at the Srinagar airport. And also he supplied necessary things to the Indian army. This is how he was instrumental in safeguarding the interest of India. So this was his contribution in the Kashmir mission. And let us start the Indonesia's freedom struggle. In the same year, Indonesia was witnessing a great mass movement, or Indonesia was witnessing a great mass movement or freedom struggle. And on the request of President Sukarno, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister of India, instructed Biju Patnaik, or informed Biju Patnaik to come to the rescue of the Indonesian leaders. So on the request of the Indonesian President Sukarno, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru instructed Biju Patnaik to come to their help, or to rescue the Indonesian leaders from the Dutch captivity. And Biju Patnaik, in a secret mission, flew to Indonesia. In a secret mission he flew, and he rescued the Indonesian Prime Minister Dr. Sahajiar and Indonesian Vice President Muhammad Hatta from Dutch captivity. Okay, so Biju Patnaik, in a secret mission, he flew to Indonesia. In a secret mission, he flew to Indonesia, and he rescued the Indonesian leaders, like the Indonesian Prime Minister Dr. Sahajiar and Indonesian Vice President Muhammad Hatta in his Dakota. So most of Biju's adventures are in his Dakota. So when the Dutch planes are flying all around to shut down his plane, the great Biju Patnaik, the brave Biju Patnaik flew there in order to escape the Indonesian leaders from the Dutch captivity. So he successfully rescued Prime Minister Muhammad Sahajiar and Prime Minister Dr. Sahajiar and Vice President Muhammad Hatta from the Dutch captivity. And in this successful mission, his wife Gyan Patnaik, who was also a pilot, accompanied with him. Okay, in this successful mission, his wife Gyan Patnaik, who was also a pilot during that time, during 1930s, she was one of the prominent ladies in India who has got a pilot certification during that time. And in this secret mission, in this successful mission of Indonesia's freedom struggle, or the Indonesia's freedom movement, his wife Gyan Patnaik accompanied him, who was also a pilot. His wife Gyan Patnaik was also a pilot, and she accompanied Biju Patnaik in this successful mission in liberating, saving or in airlifting the Indonesian leaders from the Dutch captivity. And for this greatest contribution towards the Indonesia's freedom struggle, the government of Indonesia awarded him with Bhumiputra Award, or the Son of the Soil Award, and one of his Dakotas still remain in Indonesia as a great respect to Biju Patnaik. As a respect to Biju Patnaik, one of his Dakotas still remain in Indonesia as a respect to Biju Patnaik. Students, these were not only the contribution of Biju Patnaik also served as a great pilot. During that time, the British Royal Air Force. Okay, in the British Royal Air Force, he served as a great pilot. And he was a man of action. During that time, he was a man of action. He will jump into action without thinking of the consequences. He airdropped the leaflets for the Azad Hind Fauj during the time of a freedom movement. And during the time of a Quit India movement, he also buried the great Indian freedom fighters, like the frontline freedom fighters like Aruna Asaf Ali, Jai Prakash Narayan, Ram Manohar Lohia, and his Dakota. Okay, during the time of a Quit India movement, Biju Patnaik on his Dakota buried the frontline freedom fighters like Aruna Asaf Ali, Ram Manohar Lohia, Jai Prakash Narayan on his Dakota. And when this came to the knowledge of the British authorities, then he was expelled from his service and put behind the bars. So Biju Patnaik was an unstoppable freedom fighter. He was an unstoppable freedom fighter and who contributed greatly towards the freedom movement of India. Not only India, towards the freedom movement of Indonesia. For his greatest contribution towards the Indonesia's freedom movement, he was awarded with the Bhumiputra Award, or the Son of the Soil Award. And one of his Dakotas still remain in Indonesia as a great respect to this great freedom fighter and the great daredevil pilot named Biju Patnaik, who was born in Odisha but made the entire nation proud. Students, this is about the sense group paragraph 2. So students, you read the sense group paragraph 2 thoroughly, first part of the sense group paragraph 2 thoroughly, and try to answer the comprehension questions based from this portion, based on this portion. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.